AI isn't just in your apps anymore. It's leaving the screen and entering the real world. Robots are starting to perceive, decide, and act. This is called physical AI. Inside warehouses, millions of robots move in perfect sync. They're learning, adapting, and optimizing. Embodied intelligence means AI has a body. It can see, feel, and respond to the environment. Old robots follow strict instructions. New ones adapt to changes on the fly. Robots now see with cameras, LiDAR, and sensors. They can recognize objects and measure distances. Imagine a warehouse with thousands of robots. Every movement is coordinated in real time. AI systems act like traffic controllers for robots. They prevent collisions and optimize efficiency. Factories are using humanoid robots for complex tasks. Battery assembly, material handling, precision work. Robots can work safely alongside humans. AI adapts to new tasks and environments. In hospitals, AI robots assist surgeons and nurses. They move equipment and monitor patients. Smart devices analyze patient data in real time. They can even adjust treatments automatically. Cloud AI is too slow for real-world action. Milliseconds matter when interacting with objects. Edge AI runs directly on the robot itself. Decisions happen instantly, without the cloud. Robots can catch falling objects and react immediately. Edge processing makes it possible. AI, sensors, and advanced hardware are merging. Robots now have situational awareness. Warehouses, factories, hospitals, farms, all robots. They assist humans and boost efficiency everywhere. Robots are no longer tools. They're intelligent collaborators shaping the future.